Hey friends, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I wanted to share with you our teacher gifts. So last year we made our teacher gifts surround the book The Kissing Hand, and this year we're going to make our books surrounded by the book The Polar Express. So I just made this printable that said this first gift of Christmas is for and is inspired by the book The Polar Express. And we're going to put in some gloves and use this little tag that say gloves to stay warm at the North Pole. And I'm just going to trim it down and tape it on those gloves. If you want to see last year's book-inspired Christmas gift, I will link that for you guys too, so you can make sure to go check that out. And I'm just sticking the gloves inside of this bag, and then we will add our next book-inspired item. So I am adding a Dunkin' Donuts gift card with this tag that says, in case you are in need of more refreshments. And again, I'm just trimming that down and taping that right on the card. And then adding that right into our teacher bag. And next I am adding hot chocolate and a candy cane with a tag that says hot cocoa that's as thick and rich as melted chocolate bars. And that is a direct quote from the Polar Express book. If you wanted to do a quote from the movie, they have a lot of hot chocolate quotes from the movie too, but since I wanted to keep this book themed, I went ahead with the quote from the book. And I'm just going to tie the candy cane and the tag onto the hot chocolate pack, just like this. And the final thing that we are adding to our teacher gifts are these bell ornaments that we personalized. And then I went ahead and made a tag that said, "The bell still rings for all who truly believe." And then, "Thank you for always believing in me," and a picture of my kid, and had them write their name, and we added the date. And I laminated these so I could trim them down and kind of punch a hole in the top and add this tag directly to the ornament. And then it can kind of stay there, and the teacher will know who this ornament is from every year they put it on their tree. And I made a tutorial of how we made these bell ornaments and where they're from and what the font is, so you can check that out too. I'll link that for you. And then I'm just using this ribbon that says "Believe." This ribbon came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to tie that little tag onto our teacher ornament and add this little note that said, "A bell for those who truly believe." These bells do ring, so they will know that they do still believe. And I'm adding this into our bag, and that's all we have. There we go. These adorable little teacher gifts for our teachers that are book inspired with everything they need for the Polar Express. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up. Spread some Christmas cheer my way. Let me know down in the comments, what did you get your teachers this Christmas? Bye, guys.